Today's Make It Vegan, Make It Healthy chocolate chip cookie recipe comes to us from Dora on allrecipes.com. This recipe is my spouse's favorite, and it's quite simple to make it vegan. Making it healthy, though, is a slightly different process. To begin, you'll just need to substitute out a few things to make it vegan. The first being the butter for plant-based butter. You'll notice that the proportions of the ingredients are slightly small, and that's because if I had followed the recipe for each time I shot this video, I'd have had well over 100 cookies. To make a substitution for the eggs, for each egg, have 1 tablespoon cornstarch and 3 tablespoons water. Add the rest of the ingredients, fairly straightforward. Now, a final substitution you will probably need to make is the plant-based chips. The only ones I can get are 10 ounces, the recipe called for 16 ounces, and mine are sugar-free, so your sugar content may vary at this step. Bake them for 10 to 13 minutes, and you'll get that classic American Toll House cookie that is chewy, buttery, and delicious. To make a compromise towards more healthy cookies, here you're going to want to substitute out the white sugar for stevia and half of the plant-based butter for unsweetened applesauce. The next compromise is to 50-50 the flour with all-purpose white and all-purpose wheat, resulting in slightly higher fiber and slightly higher protein. Once again, you're going to bake these for 10 to 13 minutes, and the resulting cookie will be a bit cakier with just a tiny hint of the applesauce, but still chocolatey and delicious with quite a bit more fiber and protein. Finally, we're going to make them totally healthy. To begin, replace all the sugar with a sugar substitute and all the plant-based butter with unsweetened applesauce. Because we took out the brown sugar, I'm adding some instant coffee for color and depth of flavor. A little bit more protein, we're going to add a half cup of vital wheat gluten and then adjust the all-purpose white and wheat flours accordingly. This will give it a bit more of a chewy, bready texture, but still very delicious and much more healthy once we've taken out the extra fat and the extra sugar. Once more, bake for 10 to 13 minutes. You'll get a cookie that's a little bit more dense, bread-like, but still very chocolatey and flavorful, higher in protein and fiber. Which cookie is your favorite? The classic Toll House, the cake, or the very healthy, chewy, kind of bread-like cookie ball? Let me know in the comments, and of course, like the video and share it with your friends. Visit lessonplantkitchen.com for nutrition info, a link to the official recipe, and enjoy.